Good morning, grade ones. Welcome to another lesson. This morning we're having a mathematics lesson and our topic is missing numbers. All right, did you get that? We said our heading is missing numbers and I want to write that heading. Can you get your pencils and your books, and I want you to write missing numbers. That is our heading. All right. All right, let's quickly take it down, Kupa. That's our heading. It says missing numbers. Can we quickly copy that? And as we have said, when you're copying the letters, try and copy 2 or 3. You look at what I've written here and copy 2 or 3 letters at a time. Let's not copy 1 letter at a time. Otherwise, we become very, very slow. All right? So when we talk about missing numbers, what are we talking about when we're talking about missing numbers? What are missing numbers? I'm just giving you a minute only to take that heading down. Then we can now talk and discuss what are missing numbers. And please raise your hand when we are done. We are done. Prosperity, no eating of fingers. Prosperity, no fingers in your mouth. Quickly take that down, missing numbers. Let's finish up, Kupa. Otherwise, we'll not finish our lesson. Praise, are you done? I want you to talk praise. Yesterday, I did not even hear your voice. You were in, and I did not even hear you. I want you to talk. Kupa, you are done? Very good, Kupa. Prosperity, let's finish up quickly. And praise, let's also quickly finish up. Right, we are done. Thank you. Right. So I was saying, what are missing numbers? If something is missing, what are we saying about that thing which is missing? Kupa, if something is missing, it means that thing is not there. Right now, we're still waiting for some of our friends. They are missing from this lesson. They are not here. We are waiting for them. All right? Is that okay, Kupa? You understood that, isn't it? If something is missing, it means that it is not there. Like I said, I can't see Pearl yet. She's not here. So Pearl is missing from this lesson. She's not here yet, all right? But we hope she'll be here, isn't it? So when we talk of missing numbers, it means that we've got a group of numbers and there's a number that is not there. That number is missing, all right? So you can have numbers that are written down, and you find that maybe there's a box, an empty box, and in that empty box, there's a number that should be there. I'm going to show you and give you some examples, like this first one. Do you see this one? I've got numbers here. I've got 0, 1, and look, there's a box. And in that box, there is no number. So if you see an empty box like that, it means you're supposed to write the missing number. So you're supposed to count these numbers. You read and you count them. 0, 1, box, 3. Which number is missing there? Prosperity, not to your fingers. Which number is missing? 2. Prosperity says 2. What about you, Kupa? Which number is missing?
2.
Right, so the number 2 is missing, isn't it? So should be 0, 1, 2, 3. So in that empty box, when you see that empty box and our topic there is missing numbers, you can already see that there's something which is not there. There's a number that is missing. There's a number that is not there. So it is 2 there, which is missing. All right, is that okay? Are we following, Prosperity?
Yes.
Right, let's look at the next one, and you are going to tell me which number is missing. Look at the numbers that I've got there. Don't write yet, I'll give you the ones which you are going to write. Which number is missing, Kupa?
4.
Is it number 4 that is missing? Are you sure, Kupa? Look at your numbers. You have got 4, there is number 4, there is number 5, there's a box. And at the end there we've got number 7. So which number is missing? 4, 5, box, 7. Box.
6.
Thank you, Prosperity. Number 6 is missing, Kupa. Are you looking, Kupa? Praise. Let's count together. 4,
4. 5. 4.
give me the number for box. Which number is it?
6.
6, isn't it? And the last number is what?
7.
7. Very good, Prosperity. So the missing number there is 6. So inside that box, you should write number 6. 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right. The next one is for you, Kupa. That one was for Prosperity. So the next sum that I've got here, it is for you. And you should give me the missing number. Look at your numbers first. Before you even start counting, look at your numbers. Kupa, what number is this one?
8.
Yes.
9.
Very good.
10.
And what is the missing number there?
6.
Is it 6? Yes, it's an empty box, but I want the number for box. 8, 9, 10. What's the next number, Kupa?
4.
Kupa, I want the number for box. Yes, I can see the empty box, but I want the number. 8, 9, 10. Let's help her. Prosperity, what's the next number?
8. 11.
Yes, it is number 11. All right. You know how to write 11, Kupa?
No.
You know how to write 11. We write 2 ones, isn't it? Here is number 11, Kupa. All right. Is that okay, Kupa? 8, 9, 10, 11. So that box was for number 11. All right, Kupa Kwashe. Praise. The next one is for you. Okay, Praise. Here are your numbers, Praise. Can you see your numbers? You have got the first number here. What number is it, Praise? I want you to talk. What number is it, Praise?
Is 2.
Is it 2? Look, there are two numbers. You have got 1 and 2. When you put them together, which number do we get, Praise?
2.
Are you sure, Praise? This is number 2. Look, there's 1. Can you see the 1? Then there's 2. You put them together. They're going together, these two numbers. It's not 2, but what number is it? Help us, Kupa. Kupa?
1.
Right. It is 12. Praise. This is number 12. When you put 1 and 2 together, it is 12. All right. What is the next number?
13.
Right. Very good. 13. And what is this number? Kupa, what's this number?
17.
What number is it, Kupa?
17.
This is number 14. 14, all right? And number, the last one, Prosperity, what number is it?
15.
Very good. This is number 15. All right. So our numbers there. The first one, Praise. I hope you're looking this side. Praise. You're doing something else there. Number 12, 13, 14, and 15. So the missing number there was number 13, that empty box. You see the empty box, you write the number 13. That's the missing number. That's the number that is not there. All right? Right, then let's look at the last one. Here is the last one. Prosperity, this one is yours. What number is this one?
16.
Very good. And the next one?
17.
17. And then the box. What number?
10.
Right, very good. The missing number there, the box, we should write number 18. Then what about this number? What is it, prosperity? That last number there?
19.
Right, and the last number there is 19. Pearl, you are most welcome to our lesson. You are very late today. What happened to you? Pearl, I hope you can hear me. Can you hear me, Pearl? You can hear me, Pearl?
Yes.
Right, very good. I said you're most welcome to our lesson. This morning we're looking at missing numbers, and I was saying that you're very late, we're almost done our lesson. But anyway, we're looking at missing numbers, and we have said that missing numbers, we're talking about a number that is not there. We're even talking about you in our lesson, that Pearl is missing from the lesson because she was not there, just like these numbers that we're looking at. All right. When we're given numbers and we've got an empty box there, it means there's a number which is missing. All right, Pearl?
Yes.
Okay, Pearl. Can you read these numbers for me quickly? What is this number?
16.
Yes, the next one.
17.
17. Can you say 17?
17.
Right, there is the empty box there. What number should we write here? Pearl, we are counting 16, 17.
18.
Very good. It's number 18. Then what's the last number that we have got there?
19.
Right, that is number 19. So our missing number is number 18 in that empty box. So when you see that empty box, you write the missing number. That is the work which you're also going to get today for your homework in Google Classroom. You're going to get something similar to that, where you've got numbers and there's one that is missing, and you write that number which is missing. Right, so for now, I want you to take your books and your pencils, and let's write. We're going to write maybe 2 or 3 sums. All right, so the first one, you're going to write your number 1 outside of the red line. There is number 1. So this is the first sum. That is number 1. So you write your number 1 outside of the red line. You can see my red line there. And your numbers, as you write them, I know you're using books that have got lines only, you don't have squares, but your numbers, they must fill up that line. Your number must touch the top line, and it must also sit on the line. Is that clear? Kuba, are we clear how we're writing our numbers? We don't write tiny little numbers, but our numbers are going to fill up the lines. So the first number that you've got there, it is 5. You write 5. You put your finger as you write. You put your finger, you space your work. You write 6, and you space your work by putting your finger again, and you write the missing number, and you continue. You space your work with your finger, you write 8, you space your work again with your finger, and you write number 9. All right, so let's quickly write those numbers, and I want to see the missing number. Quickly, prosperity, I don't know whether you are done there. So you write number 1 there, 5, 6, box 8, 9. You don't have to draw the box, but you write the number. Don't draw the box, but but write the missing number. The box is just there to show you that there's a number that is missing, but don't draw the box. All right? So let's quickly do that. I want to see. If you are done, please can you show me, Pearl? Your hand is already up. Can I please see? And you move your book a bit closer to your device so that I can see. Right, very good. You've written your numbers and you've spaced them. Nice, wonderful work there. Kupa, can I see as well? Let me see your numbers. Let me see how you've written them there in your lines in your book. Move your book a bit closer to your device. I want to see. Right. Make sure that you space with your finger. Kupakwashe, you've written the missing number. You can put your book down, but put your finger as you write each number. Kupa, you write 5. Put your finger and you space your work. All right. Prosperity. Can I see your work, please? Can I see your numbers, Prosperity, before we move on? Right. Make sure that you also space your work as well. Praise. Are you done? Miss Praise there. Are you done? Praise. Can I see what you have written? Want to move on to the next sum? Want to move on to number 2? Praise. Can I see what you have written, Praise? Right, while Praise is still finishing up, I'll come back to you there, Praise. Right, let's quickly go to number 2. We skip a line, all right? Right, Praise is now done. Can I see, Praise, what you have written there? Can I see your numbers? Can you move your book closer to your device? Praise, parents, please let's assist here. I hope there's someone nearby. Right, thank you, Praise. You can put your book down, Praise. Parents, let's kindly assist her there. Right, let's quickly move on to number 2. You skip a line. I said you skip a line, isn't it? We've got our number 1 at the top there. You skip only one line and let's write number 2 outside of the red line. There is 2 there. All right, Pearl, let's write 2. We are writing Pearl. Write number 2. No holding of your cheek, Pearl. Much better. I can see everything that you're doing there, Pearl. Right. So you write number 2. Here are our numbers. We've got 18. You write 1 and you write 8 next to each other. All right. Then you space after writing 8. These ones, they're close together. 1 and 8, it's one number. It is number 18. They're close to each other. When we are done, that's when you put your finger, like what Pearl is doing. Now you put your finger and we write the next number, 19. And when we write 19, we write 1 first and we write 9. That is number 19. Then we space our work, Prosperity. Let's space our work with our finger and we write the missing number. I want to see whether you can write the missing number. We've got 18, we've got 19. Which number comes after 19? Which number comes after 19? Prosperity, can you tell us the number? Prosperity?
19.
Right, there is 19. What's the next number?
20.
Very good, it's number 20. And how do we write number 20? Can you tell us how do we write 20? Which number comes first when we're writing 20?
2 and 0.
Very good, wonderful, a star for you there. We write 2 first, then we write 0. That's how we write 20. So that is our missing number there. 18, 19, 20, and this is 21. We can see the 1 after the 2, isn't it? 18, 19, 20, and 21. Can I see your numbers quickly, Pearl? Show me quickly, it's almost time up. Let me see your numbers. Very good, wonderful work. You guys, you are shining stars and you have done that perfectly. I can see you've written your numbers outside of the red line and you have written your numbers And you've also managed to skip the lines. Wonderful. Kupa, can I see? And let's write the last one now. All right? Very good, Kupa. A star for you as well. Right. This is now number 3. Can you write number 3 outside of the red line? Can you write 3 first? Skip a line. Don't forget to skip a line, Kupa. Let's skip a line. Then we write 3 outside of the red line, a small 3. This is now number 3. All right? Right. Then when we are done writing number 3, now we've got our numbers. We've got 1 and 2. When we put them together, it is 12. 12. Then we've got a box. I don't want you to write the box, but I want you to write the missing number. 12, you write the missing number. 14 and 15. Write the missing number. Let's see. Right, let's copy our numbers. Make sure that your numbers, they fill up the line. Pearl, you're asking something. Can you ask me this side? 12, write your missing number. Don't forget that you're supposed to space with your finger. There you should space with your finger. You write 14, 1 and 4, that is 14. Then your finger, you space. Then you write 1 and 5. And that is number 15. Right, are we done? Pearl, are you done? What is the problem there? Pearl, someone is trying to join in. So very late. Right, you are done, Prosperity. Right, if you are done, Prosperity, can you write, can you skip a line? And I want you to write your name and your surname for me, since you are now done. While we are waiting for the others, please can you write your name? Remember, your name must start with a capital letter, and you write your surname for me, all right? That's what we're all going to do when we are done. Pearl, you skip a line and you write your name and your surname for me. Pearl, just once only. Just once only. Quickly, Pearl, I'm waiting for you. Write your name and you show me before I leave you. All right, Kupa, when you are done, write your name and your surname for me. Just once this time. Same with you, Praise. When you are done, write your name also. Right, so just to quickly recap, remember today we're talking about missing numbers, and we said if something is missing, it means it is not there, all right? And we're talking about missing numbers. Should you get a sum like this one, which I've got there, I've got my numbers, for example, 5, 6, there's a box, there's no number, 8, 9, you are supposed to write the missing number. Nyasha, I am so sorry, but it is already time up. Let's meet Nyasha for our next lesson, all right? So all of you, I'm going to leave you writing your names and your surnames, and I'm going to check them when we meet very soon. So bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.